I had to show this to you first because this has got to be the coolest small Class A RV in the history of small Class A RVs. It's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. We are at the Florida RV Super Show in Tampa with the all-new Vegas 26.1. I love this new paint job. This is the Blackjack edition. Man, is it awesome. Look at that. The shine is crazy. You get the blacked out wheels, the blacked out logos. It is absolutely incredible. There's a lot of great things to talk about on here well outside of this paint, but I could just stare at this thing for hours. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's talk about some of the other things you're gonna find in here. The other feature I love, and we're going this direction, and I think it's fantastic. These pull-out griddles. I love cooking on a griddle way better than a grill. Now there are certain things like a steak is always, in my opinion, always gonna taste better on a grill, but when you are out camping, baking eggs, maybe you're fishing, you throw the fish on here, this hooks right into your exterior propane connection, which is located right here. And now you have a great way to cook outside. But make sure, a lot of people just throw stuff on here and be disappointed. Well, my eggs are sticking or whatever it may be. Season your griddle and do it right. There are all kinds of instructional videos out there. Make sure you're getting that seasoned up right, and you are going to love cooking on your griddle. So let's talk about some of the storage, because this is pass-through on here. A lot of storage on this 26.1. All right, so over here, and then this bay opens. So the griddle is over there. You have all of this room. You have lights back here. I guess while I'm back here, Tom, let's talk about some of the connections over here. We have a 4,000 watt gas generator. This is gonna be a 30 amp coach. You have your exterior shower over here. You have your city water connection, your tank flush, cable hookup. Everything you need is right here, and your black tank, gray tank gonna be up that way a little bit that I can't access because of power supplies and all that here at the Florida show, but that's okay. Steel bumper on this, ladder that leads you right up to the roof, and then a backup camera, and we'll show you how to work that at a moment's notice. We have a nice awning, so if you get a little rain, maybe a little sun, too much sun, you can go ahead and throw that out. Nice big storage bay here for your camping chairs or your fishing poles. 27 feet, 2 inches in length, and 3,021 pounds on the occupant and cargo carrying capacity. And then you have another storage bay right up here. And before we head inside, we'll take one last look at this awesome paint, Vegas Blackjack edition. Blacked out mirrors. Whew. That is, whoo-wee, you so good looking. Let's head inside, take a look at this floor plan, because this is another, actually, I mean, this is a great motorhome all the way around. So let's start up front, okay? Great driving experience. You have a Ford 7.3 liter V8 under the hood, 325 ponies, 450 pound-feet of torque, a lot of steering wheel controls. The camera button here is how you can pull up your backup or your side view cameras at a moment's notice. If you're towing on that hitch, 8,000 pound hitch on that, by the way, press that button and then you can pull up the camera or the mirrors. That'll show up on the infotainment center over here. And this has got all the good stuff on it as well. You can hit your home button, Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Beautiful, load up your own RV specific navigation, have at it. Flip out workstation here, so when this chair isn't swivel around, like so, you're sitting here, put a computer here, a laptop. Ladies, makes a great vanity. Just an FYI, if someone's in the bathroom, if you're like me and travel with all girls, all women, I guess I need to say at this point in my life, get ready right there. And then this swivels. You do have a plug right down here as well, so you can power that device. And then these chairs swivel. A little table goes in here, and then this becomes part of your living area. So you're gonna have seat belts and sleeping for 4 in here. Queen bed in the back, we'll show you north-south, awesome setup. Then get the little ones right up here in the overhead bunk control with Rapid Camp Plus, control that right here, or with the app, it does everything you need it to do. We have a number of videos on our social media sites to show you how to walk through that. And then over here you have theater seating. So this is going to be, you know, someone can sit here and dine and play a game and do a little work, and then there's a table that's gonna go right in here, and we'll show you where that stores and that sets up. Obviously, when you're not in relax mode, right? So you're just sitting here, you're watching the TV, you're streaming something, because this has the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. So you set up your data plan, boom, you're connected to the web, right? And so now you're browsing, you're surfing, you're streaming all of your favorite shows. And again, the table goes right here, or you can go ahead and put that away. Do have the AC on in this right now because it's a little bit humid out here, and you can tell it's not real loud, is it? It's nice, throwing off the cool air, keeping you nice and refreshing. Great kitchen in here. You have a nice space, pop-up outlet. You got the 110s, the USB-C, the USB-A, nice cover for your sink. Over here, a couple of burners to do up the cooking, microwave right down here, and then storage, because you need a lot of storage. So you're gonna cabinet here. You get a cabinet here. You have cabinets on the other side, and I love this Euro style look here. Looks great, beautiful look in here. 12-volt fridge. Says so right there. So actually you get your freezer, nice size freezer in this, and a nice size fridge. You can really load that up for extended weekends or longer trips and keep all your leftovers there when you're exploring new restaurants in town, which you can do in this. And that's one of the things I love about traveling in an RV of this size, is if you don't want to tow and it's just going to be a weekend to a new town, you can take and and it hooks up so fast and easy. And with just the one slide, you pull that in, you tear up camp, and then you take it into town, and then you go exploring. And then you can come back and you make your own meal, use the restroom, which is very nice because a lot of times you like to use your own bathroom, take a shower, whatever it is, and you can park this just about anywhere when you're going exploring. So it's a really nice way to travel in a motorhome of this size. As we work our way back, we got a split bath in here. So the shower is going to be over here on the campside. Your shower is up there on the little magic wand. Magically get yourself clean. You got a skylight, and then right here, nice full-length mirror. Get yourself, oh, look at that. I look like a big slob. Get that all tucked in there. All right. You got your foot flush toilet. You have medicine cabinet, sink, so all the stuff that you need. And notice how the door closes. And so when you're back here, you can go ahead and shut that off, and then you have a privacy door right here as well. So you have this into an entire bathroom area if you want, or if you want to just come back here and close the blinds, you're good to go. I'm going to stand up here. This is a queen north-south bed, which is awesome because you can take and come on back here when you are you know, the kids are traveling, you're traveling, kids are, come back here and take a nap. And this is really cool. I don't know if you can, come over here, Tom, trade me spots, because this is real. Look at that. Look at the little storage area in the back. That is super cool. Closets, big and deep. You got a closet here, closet on the other side, TV back here as well. This is just a great setup. Love this. And it is making its world debut in Florida RV Super Show in Tampa. Awesome layout, awesome floor plan. It's the Blackjack edition. Look at this, the all-new Vegas 26-1. Perfect for families, for traveling, long weekends, extended getaways. You can do it in here, and you can come see it at the Florida RV Super Show, or you can build your own at thormotorcoach.com.